On this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can increase your video quality in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can see here, this cat, the video of this cat, is a bit unsharp, and we can adjust that. So there are two ways to go about this. You can adjust it directly onto your video clip, or you can select this icon here for a new item and create an adjustment layer, the size of your clip, and then drag it onto your project, make it the same size of the clip you want to adjust, and then select this adjustment layer to apply the effects we're going to apply. So with this layer selected, or with your video selected, either way, you can go to Effects, and then here we're going to search for Sharp, and you get Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. We're going to apply both, so you can double click to apply it, or you can drag it on top of your layer to apply it. Now we're going to play around a bit with the settings, so keep an eye on this cat here. We're going to make the sharpen amount around 50. You can already see things changing. And again, play around with this a bit to see what works best for your clip. And the unsharp mask, we're going to adjust to 100. That 100 with a radius of, let's say, 5, like this. And again, every clip is different. Every amount needed to make a clip more sharp is different. So be sure to play around with it. But you can really see the difference here. This was before, and this is with our adjustment applied. But you can also adjust certain things if it's too sharp or it needs to be sharper. Again, every clip is different, but you can adjust your video quality by adding an unsharp mask and a sharpened mask. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.